Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Quinn here, and I'm here with an update video. You guys must have seen my last video, which was actually a promotion video for my new website. Yes, the website is finally up and it's what I've been working on for a while now. Also, you haven't seen regular tutorial videos from me in a while as well. That is because I've been working on editing the Microsoft Access series to reduce the loud music and to make the quality much better. So I've just uploaded those re-edited videos so you guys can enjoy them, and also transcripts for these videos are available. I haven't gotten the chance to finish all of them as yet, but trust me, I will be finished with them by the end of the coming week. So go ahead, enjoy the re-edited videos, and you can access the transcripts on my website when they are uploaded. So you can keep checking my website to see if the transcripts for each video is up. And if you don't know how to get on my website, let me show you how. First, go to your browser, of course.
New tab dash Google Chrome dash.
Then you will type in my website URL.
THEQUIN.VERCEL.APP.
Then press enter.
TheQuinn.Versal.app selected. Selection removed. Document busy blank. Home-the-Quinn.
Then you can use your K, which navigates quickly to links, to jump straight to the videos tab.
Navigate list with 5 items. New videos visited link.
Then click enter.
Videos-the-Quinn.
Now, to jump quickly to where you can find the Access series, first you can press your heading key, so that's H.
Main landmark YouTube.
Then press your K again.
List with 3 items. Number 1 link.
No, it says number 1 link, because if I should up arrow and down arrow again.
Out of list with 3 items. Bullet Microsoft Access series : link number 1, link number 2, link number 3, link number 4, link number 5.
So here are some quick links to the Microsoft Access series. If I should press K and press on one of them.
Number 1 link.
And press enter.
Out of list heading level 3 visited link. How to use Microsoft Access with NVDA and dash part 1 left paren. The basics right paren.
And that is how you would access the videos in my Access series. So thanks again guys once again for the support. Hopefully you enjoyed these re-uploads because I've been getting a lot of complaints about loud music. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to check out the website and let me know what you think. Remember to like the video if you love the content, subscribe if you're new, and turn on my notification bell. I will see you guys with the next upload.